swim and wash your tears away. Yeah, jamming in the sun just like Bob Marley said. Whoa, whoa,
All right, so the countdown is on. We've got less than 18 hours left till Christmas, and folks are scurrying to get things done last minute. But we're making sure you don't skip over anything with this last minute to-do list.
All right.
Yeah?
The very first thing, charge everything. You don't want to be in the middle of a Christmas dinner or something and them say, come on, go take a picture on the tree. Come on, go take a picture on the tree. And then when you go so, the phone dead.
You know what I think you mean? Charge as in credit. Anyone know what that means? Whew, okay, now I know.
No.
Chill drinks. I'm saying chances are the fridge is now pretty full with Christmas food. Well, not my one, but make room for the drinks you need chilled for tomorrow. Last time my daughter looked at my fridge, she said, well, Daddy, you won't die of thirst. She said, "But
Hungry, I gonna kill you.
where's the meat?"
All right, the third thing that you have to do is last minute wrapping. I don't know why last minute. You should have done
Yeah,
wrap
should have
already.
done from long time.
But Christmas morning is not the morning to wrap when you're running up and down and finishing cooking and cleaning and what to wear. So get the wrapping out of the way.
To be fair though,
Yes.
you know, I have to wrap my one.
No, man.
I wouldn't want it cost you to go buy wrapping paper and scotch tape
No,
and
no,
all kind of
no,
thing. You
no.
can just bring it and give it.
No, no.
Because as you give
What
it
I
to me,
buy you
I
is-
am going to open it.
No, what I buy is so expensive. It offer wrap. It offer wrap. I couldn't just buy a gift so expensive and carry come in a scandal. Come on,
You're
never.
such a liar. You're such a liar.
Look how long the gift in the box are waiting for you. You say
Don't wrap my
wicked?
one. Because, remember,
Prince,
remember last Friday,
ungrateful.
Smile in the Yard, one of the things was who would, and they said who would be the person to open the gift before Christmas. It's me that. As you give it to me, I open it. It's my one, so you can't tell me when to
That's
open
why that's why I didn't give it to you this
Well, you
morning.
can give it to me on Christmas Day, but anytime I get it, I am going to open it. Ensure you have enough food. Buy staples, not the stationary kind. Food kind, I mean. It's only 2 days, really, that you need to make sure you have enough for, but you'll probably go through more than usual during that time. So,
Yeah.
buy some, make sure you have some food on it.
Yeah. Ensure the house is ready.
Yeah.
I saw a friend of mine,
What you mean by ensure
David,
your house
put
is
up
ready?
something last night. Said Jamaican people house 11:59 Christmas Eve, and the house look like
What you mean by make sure the house
dump
is
and
ready?
then 12 o'clock.
What do you mean by that?
Do a sweep of the house, make sure everything is in its place. The guest bedroom is ready, because people come in your house, you don't want them drink and drive and if them tired, and that everything is as tidy as possible, because it's going to get messy with a few days, so it's better it start clean and then get messy than messy and messier.
Yeah, well, I bet I'm going to mess up phone house. Don't come to my house, come mess it up. You want to invite me to Uno?
No, but you can't invite people to your house and then tell them, say, come and don't mess it up.
I just did. It's my place, you know.
No,
I'll put Uno.
no, that's not. That's
So why
not.
would you want to come to me? I'm not coming to your house to mess
It
it
may
up.
not be intentional. I may have a glass of drink in my hand
Yeah.
and see a lizard and say, oh! And it wet up the floor.
And then you clean it up before you leave and get rid of the lizard to take the lizard when you go in. Another thing that's a tradition families on Christmas Eve is to do a little baking. Having some Christmas music on and just creating cakes, biscuits for Christmas is magical and the smell is amazing. But I
Yes.
can't bake.
Yes.
So
yes.
bake and send it to me, please.
Cooking gas.
Don't
Oh
use
my
it.
gosh, you do not want gas to run out on Christmas
I don't
Day.
use cooking gas.
Okay.
I use electricity.
You do? Because you made that sound as if you never turn on the stove and cook.
Actually, I made some fritters yesterday.
Alive, what kind?
Saltfish fritters. I don't know what kind of fritters they have. I don't know.
Banana
I don't know
fritters?
if I make that. And on yesterday was what, Sunday?
Yes.
And on Saturday I cooked some salmon.
The stove must have said mercy.
It did actually. Help us with understand. Apart from February water.
This stuff must say hallelujah.
But I have to be honest, the fritters win, but the salmon, the inside of the salmon wasn't as cooked as I would have liked it. I get confused because I hear that you mustn't cook salmon for too long.
Watch the color.
Yeah, but that's what I look at the color and I'm doing a little thing and it was nice and thing. Yeah, but when I start, the outside was nice and crispy and lovely, but inside was, and I like my stuff well done. So I wasn't too impressed with my salmon. So I went try it again.
Try it again.
Yeah.
All right, no problem.
She said must go to a bit.
Cooking gas. Church, medications. Make sure your medication, if you're allergic, walk with it. Now go people house, go eat things where you know you're going to drop down and relax.
Where's Benji?
Must have gone to somebody else. Go eat him.
I never know that I miss Benji, but I miss Benji. We're going for a break.
Merry Christmas. We wish you